Hello beauties and welcome back to my corner of the internet. If you are new here, then my name is Mariah, also known as Live Life's Beauty, and we're getting straight into it. So here I'm showing you my thumb, and that it is broken. You can see that it is split right down the center in the middle. It has been like this for months, maybe even years now. I can just never keep nails on long enough for it to grow out, and when it does grow out and I take the nail off, it's very weak and it is breaking. So I need to do something about this, and I need to really get serious about letting it grow out. So this is not the video that I had intended to post today, but you know that we are on a schedule to post at least one video every single week on this channel. So this is the video that you get today. So I'm starting off by doing my nails, and I'm using a really thin buffer, fine grit buffer. And this is 100 grit buffer. So you do want to make sure that you are not, filing your nails to smithereens, because you can see that my nail is already damaged. I don't want to incur any more damage to the nail. I just want to rough up that surface. So here I'm showing you my nails. And I do believe here I dust it off, and then I show you guys that I didn't actually manage to buff all my nail properly. So anywhere that you see there that is shiny, the gel will not stick to. So I'm just pointing out to you that it is shiny, so I do have to go over it again and buff that out and make sure that it is not shiny, so that the gel can adhere to my nails correctly, because that will cause lifting. I don't intend to talk too much through this video, because you did just have a video from me last week where I did my nails. However, I do understand that not everybody watches all of my videos, so it can be helpful to some to explain, and some just want to watch the process. So I'm also showing you how quickly nails grow, because a lot of people would put extensions on their nails, and I decided not to, because the idea is to grow out my natural nails and have them long. And if I put a tip on and I do all of that, it's just longer work, to grow them out. And once you start putting gel on your nails and taking care of them, they do actually grow pretty quickly. So the next video you will see how quick they have already grown. So for my thumb, I decided to do a full cover tip. So this brand is called Aerogel, and they use soft gel to create full nail cover tips, and you basically just glue that on. And I thought that this would be better because it's like adhering the gel to the thumb and kind of giving it, not pressure, because I don't want to use that word, but kind of closing it up. Whereas the gel, it would also close it up, but I don't know, like, this is me, I just can pick off gel more easily. So as always, you do want to dehydrate and prime your nails. I am going to skip the priming stage, the dehydrating stage, because I use an alcohol wipe, and that can act as a dehydrator for your nails. But if you're new to nails and you want to be on the safe side, then you can still use the dehydrator. So here I'm just applying that onto my nails. I'm pretty sure that this one doesn't dry matte, because sometimes when they dry matte, it means that they're ready, and sometimes they will still have like a bit of a shine on them. So either or either. So I'm just showing you here how I apply these full cover tips. Now at first it can be tricky when applying full cover tips, but you just want to make sure that there is enough gel in the nail the first go around, as this makes it easier to put on, and it also stops the air bubbles. So what I did was I didn't put any gel on my actual nail, and I didn't put enough gel. So what I ended up having to do was pull that off and then paint some gel onto my nail, as well as just a little bit more in the tip, because you can see that massive air bubble, and you do not want that. That will cause greenies in your nail, and greenie is basically an air pocket where you wash your hands or something, and water can get into there, and that can cause bacteria, and that is what causes your nails to end up green, and that is called a greenie. So I'm pushing it down, and it's a bit hard to show you here, but I do my best, guys, because I have to hold it down for a certain amount of time that it will like kind of stick itself, and then put it in the lamp to cure. And that nail gel was provided by Aerogel. They do call it nail glue, however it is just a gel. So I'm going to be using base coat, and then after I put a layer of base coat on all of my nails, I'm going to use the builder in a bottle. Now when I did my thumb, I didn't put base coat on my thumb. I don't think I did. I don't think I'll show you in this video. I'm super sorry guys. But again, I am doing my right hand, so this is me using my left hand, but you do just want to be careful not to touch the skin with the base coat, because as your nails grow out, that can also cause lifting, because the gel will obviously move away from the skin that's been touched, and that will cause lifting. So the name of the game is to prevent lifting. But you know, it's inevitable to happen. But as you practice more, practice makes perfect, and your nails will last and look a lot better. So I did do one hand without using a base coat and one hand with using a base coat, and to be fair, they both seem to work about the same amount of time. Now in the first couple of days, I did notice that my hand that had the base coat on was doing a little bit better, but as it's been about 2 weeks now, both hands, you know, they look about as damaged as each other. So I'm just going to leave you here now. I'm going to put some music on, and I will be back when there is something interesting to say. So here you can see how lumpy and bumpy my nail was. I've whipped out my thin brush just to get a better application of the gel, because you don't want to just leave it like that. You do want to smooth it out as thin as possible, because it will be a nightmare to file and get smooth. And the better your application, the less filing you have to do, especially because I am using my left hand and I'm already not great with my left hand. So there I'm just tipping the nail upside down. That helps to level the gel polish and kind of like pull it in the middle. Now, because my nails are super short, you don't necessarily need the correct structure, so you don't need an apex or anything like that, but you do want to make sure that it is thick enough so that your nails will not break off, or you know, if you hit them, nothing's going to happen. But nails this short, it's not really necessary to have the right structure. You just want to kind of have a good thickness that you like. So here again, I'm just using my tiny brush, and I'm just going around my side walls, and I'm going around the free edge. So we're onto the design portion of the nail, and I do use my McCart nail foil glue. Apologies guys, my son is sleeping on me and I'm not about to move him, otherwise I will never get this video edited. So I do put my nails in the lamp for 60 seconds, and when you cure that, it does make it tacky, so please do not touch anything. And I just press on the design where I want it to go. With these designs, I've never managed to get it as a full cover design. I've only ever just used them as little bits and pieces on my nail, and that's the way I like it. So here we are just drawing a simple French tip onto my nails, and spoiler alert guys, my battery died and I did not have enough time to charge it, wait for it to turn back on, and then film the rest of the video for you. So here are the reveal shots in 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for putting up with all my interruptions during this voiceover section. As always, don't forget to live life's beauty, because life is beautiful and it's out there waiting to be lived by you. And hopefully I will see you in another video. Bye.